doing? I hope you all are having a good day. And today we have Varun with us. Okay, so I had a lot of time on my hand today, and I decided to kind of discard
Not
all
me.
of my commercial products. So I had a lot of makeup products from, of course, a couple of years ago, and I decided why not, get rid of them now. My clean beauty experience started roughly a year or so ago, but obviously living in Dubai, we tend to buy all of these commercial products. They're gifted to us, and it did hurt my heart a little bit to get rid of them. But then I do know and I do understand the benefits of clean beauty and the importance of using the right beauty products, especially as we grow older. So we have something fun today, and I thought, why not involve the husband who's very slowly coming into frame. So Varun here is going to, yes, he is going to be my makeup artist for the day. We thought, before we discard all of these products, why don't we do a quick, and I don't know what kind of makeup tutorial, but Varun, the master, is going to do my makeup today. What are we starting with, Varun?
I have to first see what you have in your stash. I think the first thing we are supposed to do, what I read.
And by the way, I am not telling Varun anything today. He's gonna try and pick up whatever product. I have a whole lot of things out here. A bunch of brushes as well. Okay, listen, don't do something silly. Don't make me look like a joker. Just do something genuine.
Friends, people who are new, always remember, toner is the first step to a good makeup procedure.
Wow, okay.
And your moi. Easy, easy near the nose, open pores. Be
You're
careful,
not.
guys. I'm
Oh
not
God, Varun.
a dermatologist.
No, but this is my skin. It's my face. Go easy.
You haven't been worked on. Your face hasn't been worked on by an expert. Hold on, please.
Quiet.
Okay, I won't show you what we have there. The first thing we need to start with is a moisturizer. Meenal, I don't see a moisturizer. You think I did not notice? I'm gonna get a moisturizer.
Can you go get? But can you get my normal moisturizer? Guys, I'm very scared. That's absolutely fine.
Say no to commercial products.
Good one, Varun. Very
Always?
good.
Okay. So,
Go
pinky
easy.
finger first.
Go easy, please. I hope your hands are washed, Varun.
Of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Temples are very important for those who thought I don't know
Go
what.
easy. Oh God.
T-zone,
Okay, Varun.
cheekbones.
This is not the T-zone.
I said T. Ah man, don't confuse me. Okay, now next will come. I presume. See, now I don't know what goes next. Okay, concealer. Say at least say yes or no. No. Okay. Where is the blending?
Good job.
Okay.
Good job. That's good.
The foundation is like.
What's the one thing I always say about foundation, Varun? Which you are doing, but what is that one thing?
It should match your skin color.
Okay, and
It should not look patchy.
also, and one thing I always say, I mean, not me, everybody says, when giving makeup tips.
I don't know.
You're doing it right now. What is that thing?
Blending.
Where?
Eyebrows. Neck all the way down. Shit,
Exactly.
man. Why did Okay, we are done. Now, we are going to put some concealer.
Okay, I'll just help you so much. I said there's no concealer here.
I know. Okay, then we will put some powder. Now, guys, let's choose a color that I hate. I'm joking. Okay, this is not working. We'll take a mix of all the colors. Do you see it? I don't. This is out. We don't want this.
Guys, he's testing on his hand. Huh? Look at this professional to see.
That's how makeup artists do, right? Okay.
Oh God, what are you doing?
Okay, close. Oh, nice. That's what I'm talking about.
Guys, what has he done?
You did this for what?
Yes.
This is really not good. I was genuinely expecting you to do a
Close your
better
eyes.
job. Guys, if you
Look
like
up.
this video and you're enjoying this content, please don't forget to like, this video. Comment and tell us if you're enjoying this drama.
Look at me. We are going to use this, guys. Okay?
Currently, okay. Hello, Varun. You're like literally destroying your hands.
Okay.
Go
Now give me
easy.
that smile. Show me those cheekbones. You see it?
You have not watched me do makeup at all.
Smile. Show me the cheekbones.
We're already going to the eyes.
Yes. Because I'm tired of this. Okay.
You're tired.
Okay.
Are you ready? Okay, guys.
Oh my god. He's applying it with a beauty blender.
No. I was testing you. You won.
Look at how much he's taken. Oh god. Okay, but try it with this. Try, no? If you thought this worked, try it.
Show me your cheekbones, Ari. Yeah. How many of you do the swirl on the cheeks clockwise? None, right? On the right, clockwise. On the left, anti-clockwise. If you don't know this, what the hell have you learned, buddy?
Right now, all I can see are 2 patches on my cheeks. That's all the makeup I can see.
By the way, one area I forgot is this. Wait. Yeah.
This is not do the clown makeup. Acha, we're starting from under the eyebrows. Amazing. Not a coloring book. Can you repeat that for please? No, please hear it, guys.
They can hear me.
No, come here, please.
I said if people see her from different angles, they will see a different meaning. So if you see her
That's
from the right,
apparently
different
why
meaning.
this cheek is
Left,
redder than the other.
Different meaning. Straight, we don't want to see this meaning. Jokes. Now, final lipstick. Show me your lips.
I can't look at myself.
Okay, wait.
I'm so many different shades right now.
Okay. Please. Yep.
Okay, what is that?
It says lips don't lie, but I'll be honest, even I don't. Let me try it.
What are you doing? You're
I'm doing
applying
your nose.
with a lip liner.
It's not a liner, it's a pencil. It's safe. Okay, guys, watch. Amateurs, watch and learn. Look down.
Guys, please don't try these stunts at home.
Look at me.
Okay, show it here so everybody can see what an amazing job you're doing. Varun?
I swear I saw Kendall doing this. Now,
Do
guys,
you understand what Kendall was using? You had put blush on that blusher and now you're using that to contour my nose. Guys, if you want me to see doing Varun's makeup, please comment below or at least like this video. Maximum likes are going to... Oh god, Varun.
I'm not done yet. Hold
I
on.
look like somebody who's got the flu. So guys, this is my final scary look. Actually, this is a Halloween look. We are done and we are going to go and dispose all of this makeup. Guys, if you all also have products that are lying around in your beauty cabinet, please have a look. Dispose what could potentially have expired and try and make your switch slowly and steadily to clean beauty if you want long-term benefits. See you. Bye.